So nowadays it is known that the USA is one of the trendsetters for new and interesting innovations, especially based around technology. A lot of things happened in the 1960s where new startups in the branch of microelectronics took place. There was AMD, there was National Instruments or IBM, which started the boom of the computer and of the personal computer in the end. Nevertheless, there also was always a big connection between Silicon Valley and the Austin. There was ongoing information transfer between those places, and there has been a connection between university leaders and also managing partners, corporate managing partners. So this helped a lot to develop young and fast-growing startups there. Nowadays with Facebook and Google there is still high potential, or there is high potential in new innovations, especially in the technology branch. And I really see Austin as one of the main cities for startups.